tell me in the comment section. So let me try and show you now what is happening like on the chart and how it looks and everything. So I hope you really understand this concept, guys, because it's going to save you from a lot of unnecessary losses. Very, very simple, like I've said already. So let's look at the chart right here, where the exact same thing I'm talking about happened today. All right. So let me show you right here on Euro USD right here. So let's go to this chart right here. Okay. So if you start, let's do some multiple time frame analysis so that you can understand where we are coming from and all. So from here, it's clear that the market has been going to the downside. This is on the daily time frame. You can see that the market has been bearish for some time now. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We are seeing that this market has been going to the downside even here, but we're now starting to see this shift right here, right? We are starting to see this shift there. Okay, cool. Let's go to the 2-hour time frame. Now we're able to see that, okay, now it's getting interesting. Why? Because lows are now, highs are being taken out. Okay, so you can see that this high was taken out from here. You can see that this high was taken out. This high here was taken out. What does it tell you? Potential change of market direction. It's simple, guys. Market structure and price action is self-explanatory. It's going to tell you what's going to happen. And remember, price action is fractal. So let's keep dropping to the lower time frame so that you can identify the recent price action and actually what happened today. So you can see that before this move here, we had this zone here. You can see that this is a very nice zone, right? This is a drop based rally, and these are the kind of zones that I would actually trade. So this is the outmode slow right there. So these are kind of zones that I would actually trade. So let me go to the 50 minutes time frame so that I can identify the order block at that particular level right there. Okay, so we're here. So now let's go to the 5 minutes. So what I want to do is to find the order block, the last bearish candle before the bullish move, before this bullish move that caused the break of structure. Nothing. Let me go to the 1 minute so that I can find my order block. Really, really important for you to actually find your order block. Very, very important. So let me just find that and then mark it out. So we are there. So let me just zoom in on this level right here. We're here. So you can see that the last candle was this level right here. So we are just going to go ahead and actually get the low and the high of that particular candle and take it to the right side right here. Okay, so let's take it to the right side and let's see what is happening here. So you're going to realize that exactly what I was explaining happened, and it's actually it's repeated on a frequent basis because these guys have realized that a lot of people are now trading this way, and now they are coming up with a new strategy so that they don't actually let you make money. Remember, it's you make money, they lose money. So they are always finding ways and means of preventing you from actually making that money for yourself. So let me just show you now. Okay, so even if I had to make it a little bit big, let me just show you exactly the exact same thing that happened. Cool. So we have our zone right here. Let's go to the 50 minutes time frame. We have our order block right there, and see what happened. The order block was obliterated like nothing. Boom, the market took out this low like nothing. Then it went all the way to where the market is right now. So you can see that this is a valid zone because it broke structure and it was a last candle. So you can see that this was, for me, this is how I'd actually analyze this. This is a nice candle right here. This is a change of character right here. Let me just do that for you. Okay, we have a change of character there. Then we have a lower low here. We have a lower low right there. Okay. What else? So we saw this market actually breaking this structure to the upside, which is really, really good. So for me, I would wait for the market now to come back into this zone. Of course, after taking out some liquidity, and liquidity that we have here, we have this Asian session. You can see that the Asian low was taken out, and then you can potentially find some liquidity right here, which was actually left, and the market took out that liquidity beautifully clean, right? And now I'll just be waiting for the market to come to my area. But see what happened. The market literally just went all the way. So if I was taking this trade, it was going to be like this. My stop loss was going to be just there, and my target was going to be that high right there, and my stop loss was just going to be below here. Usually my stop loss is just below the low, unless I just try to adjust it to maybe somewhere there, but I don't usually take trades like that. So for me, it's usually just below the low right here. It means that on this particular trade myself, I'd have been taken out, and the market would have gone exactly where I thought the market was going to go. And like I've shown you already, this has happened several times. So now let's employ the strategy I've just shown you guys. All right. So now what are we doing? We are going to on the lower time frame here, because we're anticipating that the market is going to do this. So what we are going to do, we're going to go on the lower time frame and see what is happening there. So let's drop to the 3 minutes time frame. Let's see what is happening. Okay. We are on the 3 minutes right now, and this is what is happening. So we had this nice big pin back candle, which actually took us out, which is which can be very sad if you are actually in that particular trade. So we can't see anything here. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame and really look at that particular level there. What was happening there? And you're going to realize that exactly what I was explaining is what was happening. So let's zoom in right here. Yeah. So we are here. So what can you see? The market came and took people out, and then immediately went to the upside. And what did it do when it went to the upside? It created a new high. It created this new high, and then it dropped to the downside right here. Okay. So right here, this new high was created here. This new high was created here. And what did the market do? The market went and broke this high, telling you that there's a potential change of market direction. Simple. It has told you that, hey guys, we are going to the upside now. Break of structure. So very, very important. Wait for this market to actually break the structure. Now we are here. So what are we supposed to do? We are supposed now to wait for the market to come back to the level, to the zone that actually caused that break of structure. Okay. So what candle broke that structure? What candle caused the market to actually break the structure? Let's go to the 3 minutes time frame. You're going to realize that the candle was this level right here. And what is an order block? What is the definition of an order block? The last candle before the last bullish candle, in this case the last bearish candle before the bullish move. So our last candle is this level right here. So we get the high and the low of this particular candle and take it to the right side. And guess what? The market, after taking out the liquidity, the market actually came to this level and tapped into your zone, and then went to the upside as predicted. You can see that the market did exactly that. And what are we going to do? Your entry was going to be here, your target there, your stop loss just here on the low right here. So your stop loss would have been there. And then your target is going to be on top there. So let's go back to the 50 minutes time frame. Let's go to the 50 minutes time frame. And yeah, so your target was here, and which is the high of the Asian session. Or if you wanted to put your stop loss, I mean, target above that level right there, and then this would have been an easy win. This would be a 1 to 8.5 risk reward ratio trade beautifully. And those that would be trying to buy from here, would have been taken out. And you who's just learned this way of trading, guess what? You avoid all these fake outs and catch the real move from here and enjoy this beautiful trade, which literally just took how many minutes? Let me just show you. So this took about it took about 4 hours for it to actually hit take profit, to come to this high, about 4 hours, and it would have been done with this trade. Very simple, very simple. Remember, wait for the price to take out the low, because this low is being watched by everyone. So I'll make sure you avoid these highs and lows, because everyone is watching them. So once the market is approaching that level, see how it reacts. If the market immediately goes in a direction, well and good. Move quickly. When it goes like 1 to 2, move your stop loss to break even, so that if the market starts to come back against you, you get out at break even. Then after that, that's when now you wait for the market to change, to give you change of character, to tell you that, hey, the market is now going against me. I mean, the market is now going, changing the direction. The market was going down, took out all the lows, all the sellers here, and the buyers who were trying to buy from here, and all the breakout traders were taken out. And guess what happens? The market leaves behind an order block, and then once you find that order block, just wait for the market to pull back into that order block, and once the market does that, execute, and you are in just like that, and you'll be able to hold this trade all the way by simply avoiding this mistake that I used to make as well several times. So this is how it is, guys. This is extremely, extremely important. Extremely. So all I want for you to do is take your time and backtest this setup, and see it for yourself. See it for yourself and have proof that this actually works before you even start using it. Very, very important. See it for yourself and make sure that it actually works by doing backtesting, and try it, actually search for it on the chart, and then you'll be able to see that it actually happens on a daily basis, like I showed you here. This has been happening several times in my trading, and some very, very nice trades were being missed because of this. Exactly same thing. The market went against me. Look, took me out, and then the market went in my direction all the way. Look at this. Look at this. So let me know if you've been facing the same issues in terms of you being taken out and the market going all the way. Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, I just thought that I would actually share this with you guys, and I really, really hope you found value in this video, because this is extremely, extremely important. All right, so if you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and let me know if you'd like me to be doing such videos, because it's been a long time I did any tutorial. So I hope you really, really find value in this video. Until next time, goodbye.